So now that we've begun to create posts, you can see how really easy it is to get up and running with posts. Now when I go out to all my posts, I see that I've got this brand new post that I just created in the last lesson. See a summary of the categories, and one thing to notice here, it's actually in more than one category, which is really interesting because again, how WordPress handles the content. It allows you to link to as many categories as you want. It's very versatile and diverse. And now that we actually have some content in these categories, I can click to the categories and I can go and I can see all the posts in those categories. Here it's got when it was published. Here it's got the commenting as well. I can edit it. I can do a quick edit. I can view it. I can trash it. So quick edit doesn't give you a whole lot. Allows you to do the title, the slug, the date, password protected. So just some default stuff with quick edit. And when you go to edit, it's going to open up that familiar screen when we were doing our brand new posts. So actually I think I've clicked the wrong one there. So going back out here and going to edit, I can see now I have that same screen that I had when I was adding new. There's nothing different. It's all the same. Make any edits, and it's the same thing as when you're doing the publishing. The only thing here, some of these options have changed, or they look slightly different. So you still have that option to do the publish. You can still edit. You can still change the status. So you can always go back to draft. You can always go back to pending review. So whatever you've done, you can always go back as well. So another really cool thing, well thought out with WordPress. And that's all there really is to creating posts and starting to publish content. And in the upcoming lesson, there's actually going to be a little bit more to publishing posts when you're thinking SEO. And in the next lesson, we're going to talk about one of the more popular SEO plugins, which is Yoast. And this is what it's actually going to do. It's going to add you some more options within this posting area, and it's going to also help you better optimize your content. Because as you can see here, out of the box, even though WordPress is fairly well structured for SEO, you don't really have all that ability for structuring it exactly with SEO purposes. And there are a few really good plugins and that can update this posting area and allow you to really supercharge your SEO efforts.